Today is such a beautiful day. Look at the duckies. And they're all over there too. But it's just so beautiful. Look at them swimming. It's just beautiful today. So this is like me. This is what I like to do. Like if you're anything like me or you're just like a spiritual person, these are turtles on this. You like a spiritual person. Look how beautiful that is. So cute. And I don't want to get too close because they'll go back in the water. But maybe you're like a spiritual person or you're just somebody who can really appreciate nature. And look at this tree. It's turning colors. Isn't it so beautiful? It's already turning colors for the fall. And I must say, I am excited about it. And so I just want to be in gratitude. Look at the geese. They all kind of jump up the same way. That's how they get up. One by one. But nature teaches us so much, man. Nature does teach so much because it's like, I mean, like sometimes when I come out to certain places, there's like deer out here and I'm just watching how they treat each other and watching how the birds and the ducks, how they work together, how they stick together, how they share, the land, how they eat and how they communicate and how aware they are and just how present they are and gentle. It's just so much too if you really take the time to study nature. And it teaches you so much as well. And I guess a lot of the things, a lot of the videos I make is really big on learning, a lot of learning and lessons learned. And I really appreciate that a lot about life. And I think if you learn to appreciate just learning and the lessons learned in life, it really will do you some justice, because I mean that's what it seems like anyway. Life sometimes just seems like an obstacle course. I heard somebody say that, like where we're just learning and going through each stage and leveling up or learning more and kind of having to repeat things if we have to repeat things or whatever the case may be. But long story short, it's like it's really great. But yes, so I'm just grateful. The little geese, it's just so beautiful out here, and it's like the fall is happening at the same time. Let me walk up this way. Ooh. nature, to walk and just have my own time. And it's the best, one of the best feelings I could ask for, and I'm so grateful. I be just wanting the universe to know how grateful I am, because I be wanting more and more of this. So yeah, look at this duck, how beautiful it is. Look at the feathers. Like, you have to really see it in person. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. You're so beautiful. It's looking at me. You're so beautiful. The feather colors and everything is gorgeous. So anyway, moving on. Let me pause. Is this the lady? I'm trying to look for my duck friends that have babies, because it's two mamas out here with babies. That ain't them. So I'm gonna keep going and pause this, because I might see them. There's some friends right there, duck friends. They swimming around, looking so beautiful. This is something you really need a great camera for, because you have to see, like, this is the best thing. It's like being able to feel the air, to experience the smell, to feel the sun on my skin, the breeze, hear the birds chirping, like, to really get the whole vibe is amazing. Like, to really get the whole feel, it's like amazing. Look at the turtles. They're so sweet looking. They're so sweet. See? Hey, y'all. That's the turtles. So sweet, so cute. See, if I was walking back this way, the way the sun is facing that way, you can see everything so much better than the way that I'm walking. Look how beautiful the sky looks. I'm just saying, this is a masterpiece. We're walking in a masterpiece literally every day. Really, we are a masterpiece. If you look at yourself and stop criticizing, you realize how much of a masterpiece you are. Some squirrels right there getting it in. What you doing, silly? Like, they just being silly. No mask on. See them. They look so cute. And those three white ducks, they always like together or whatever. And that's pretty cool. See? Okay, here she go. Here go the mama. Let me see though. Oh, they taking a nap. She got them all right there. Look at her. Hey mama, you did so good with your babies. Got them sitting right there, just sitting there chilling. All cuddled up. Oh, the sweetness of it all. Look at Mama Duck. You did a great job. That's so funny. And they just laying, taking them a nap. She watching them. But yeah, that's them. She did such a good job with them babies. Like, she had 7. That's a hell of a